have to manage this very superficial carious lesion in an interproximal area, in example, at the second half of the enamel. If we are talking about Martel-Lutz classification, we are talking about D2. When we arrive in D3, it means that we are indenting, so in this case, there are many good reasons to approach them. If we are talking about Anusavice classification, we have to talk about E2, so enamel deep. For sure, one of the crucial points, if we are talking about an histological real lesion or an X-ray perception of this lesion. But anyway, when we are quite sure that we are still in enamel, many times it doesn't matter to approach immediately, but we can have a nice monitoring of this carious lesion thanks to the X-ray, thanks to the angiocam or other kind of instrumental analysis. When we open a second class in the adjacent tooth, we have the great opportunity to approach directly in a very conservative way. So we can use a rotary instrument, a rotary burr, in example a carbide, a fine diamond burr, or we can use sonic tips that are very useful because they have a specific shape, and then we can approach directly without taking into consideration the inclination of our handpiece. In this case, we have to take into consideration that we are using something that is working, so is quite abrasive, and we don't have to exceed during the preparation of our cavity. But the beauty aspect of this is that we can avoid to cut away and to prepare the ridge that is over this small lesion. So, take into consideration this. Usually after that preparation we have to restore this small lesion, and then we can put the matrix in our second class restoration, the bigger one, and then we can restore it. So every time that you open a second class cavity, take care about the adjacent region and the interproximal area, because if you have a small cavity, you have the great opportunity to be very minimal and to open it and to restore it without a very huge preparation, preserving the sound ridge and the sound tooth, and in the same time to be sure that you will stop the possible progress of this kind of lesion. If you enjoyed this video, share with your friends, please, and do it better than yesterday. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.